Hi guys, I'm Lilian from ajking.ru. This video I'm going to show guys the Nike Air Presto in white colorways. As we know, it's very limited and very hard to get. Today we have this size US 9 size, and let me show you more details about this very hot shoes. First, let me show you the shoe box. The shoe box we have Nike swoosh logo and the checklist. The outside size label we can see Nike Air Presto, and this size is US 9 size. Check the button. See. Okay. Then show you the inside. The inside we can see the two different tissue paper, one in white colorways and this of white tissue paper. So total two different tissue paper. And show you the inside box. We have a very big Nike logo. Check. Okay. Then let me show you these shoes. These shoes is in original version. We can check this tag. This quality is very good. Okay, let me show you more details one by one. We can check the upper. See, it's a mesh material. Check, it's a very good quality. Also can check the shape. See. And I think the Nike swoosh logo is very important. Check. We can see there is a little dirty. Check. And the stitchings is in white colorways. Also show you this orange small tag. Check this logo. Check this Nike logo. This is correct material. The original material lacks this. See, okay. To show you the shoes lace, we can check in pure white colorways, and also have the actual lace is in orange colorways. See, okay. Then check the zip tie. Turn to this part. I think these words also are very important. Check. And I'll show you other pair. We can see, check the details. Okay, show you the heel, the back. We also can check this material. See, it's also a very special material. Our quality is original quality is very good. So check the airwords. See. Turn to this part. We also get 5 doors. The Nike logo. Check this Nike logo. See, the outsole. These shoes is very light. Then let me show you the inside material. We have size tag. The insole. See, the off-white pattern and the 10 words here. Yeah. And we also have the black colorways. You can check my website ajkingru to check more details. See, the shape is very beautiful. See, it's very good quality. The heel, the outsole. Yeah. Okay. And you can subscribe my channel. I can offer you a very big discount. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.